Silver Cross Jet 5 Nuna TRVL LX. Really fair comparison. I'm Emilio from Baby Baby, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. Silver Cross Jet 5 has an apron to cover the front, does lay flat, magnetic buckle holder, large canopy, holds up to 55 pounds, and does fit in the overhead compartment. Nuna TRVL LX is a simple travel system capable with no adapter necessary, large basket, large wheel, extendable canopy, newborn ready, and fast fold. This does not fit in the overhead compartment. Silver Cross Jet 5 will. For the Jet 5, I need to add a car seat adapter in order to connect a Nuna car seat, a Cybex car seat, or a Britex car seat. The TRVL LX, it will only take Nuna Pippa car seats. If you have any questions about newborn capable, all-in-one travel strollers, please leave it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Comment which is your favorite down below. If you have any questions, feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content.